on designing and applying resilient landscape restoration interventions under Pan-African Restoration Education, supported by C4 ICRAF, aims to equip trainees with the knowledge and skills that are necessary to design and implement resilient landscape restoration interventions. The training involves a combination of theoretical learning and practical applications, helping trainees to understand how they can restore degraded landscape in a way that enhances ecological, social, and economic resilience.
I'm Tekan Chantal. I'm a BTech student in Wildlife and Landscape Management at Rwanda Polytechnic Kigali College. I'm attending training of designing and applying resilient landscape restoration intervention sponsored by C4 ICRAF. In this training, we have visited different landscapes that have been degraded before, and nowadays they have been restored due to different interventions. Namely, we have visited Nyandungu Eco Park, Umusambi Village, Gishwati Mukura Forest, Sebeya Catchment, Green Gicumbi, and even Green Amara.
We have learned about different techniques and forest landscape restoration interventions, including agroforestry, reforestation, soil erosion control, and so on. And of course, we are planning to apply those techniques that we have learned to our community, starting from the land degraded in Nyamagabe district, 100 hectares that we will restore it as our college, IPRC Kita.
In this training, we visited the various restored landscape in different parts of the country to provide trainees with hands-on experience in assessing, planning, and implementing landscape restoration activities. So by engaging them in real-world scenarios, trainees gain the insight into complexities and the challenges of landscape restoration in various environments.
For those sites or landscape who have been visited, they tried to include local communities and even different stakeholders to implement different interventions during their restoration, and it has been successfully improved towards climate resilience and even ecosystem conservation.
Together with our trainees, we also conducted a landscape baseline assessment at the candidate landscape in Nyamagabe district, and this will equip our trainees with skills in site assessment, restoration planning, and monitoring progress. Trainees will apply landscape restoration principles to design interventions that enhance ecological and community resilience.